Amos 3 verse 3. Can two walk together unless they are agreed? Amos 3 verse 3 is a profound inquiry into the possibility of shared paths without agreement, unveils metaphysical principles deeply rooted in the scriptures, guided by wisdom of Yahuwah. Metaphysically, the verse reveals the concept of energetic resonance, echoing the divine symphony orchestrated by Yahuwah. It suggests that for two entities to walk together harmoniously, they must be in alignment in the vibrational frequencies of their energies, a reflection of Yah's order in the unseen realms. In the metaphysical realm, Amos 3 verse 3 delves into spiritual concordance, guided by the divine wisdom of Yahuwah. It speaks to a shared spiritual journey beyond mere physical steps, emphasizing the interconnectedness of souls. This principle echoes Yah's design for profound soul-level agreements in the tapestry of existence. The metaphysical lens aligns with universal principles under Yah's governance, governing attraction and manifestation. The verse implies that the vibrational frequencies of agreement acts as a magnetic force, drawing like energies together, a testament to Yah's divine order and purpose in the spiritual journey. Viewed metaphysically, Amos 3 verse 3 accentuates the responsibility of individuals in the shared journey under Yah's watchful gaze. Each participant contributes to the collective energy field, emphasizing the need of conscious shaping of this shared space, a reflection of Yah's call for deliberate co-creation in his divine plan. Metaphysically, this verse hints at the concept of soul contracts and pre-existing agreements before entering the physical realm, all under the divine sovereignty of Yahuwah. The notion of two entities walking together implies a profound connection on a soul level, suggesting a timeless agreement that aligns with Yah's eternal wisdom. Amos 3 verse 3, when harmonized with other scriptures, echoes the divine consistency of Yah's principles. Proverbs 27 verse 17, iron sharpens iron, and one man sharpens another, reinforces the idea of mutual spiritual growth through agreement, echoing Yah's desire for his people to uplift each other. As we navigate this metaphysical symphony of agreement, guided by the divine wisdom of Yahuwah, Amos 3 verse 3 beckons us to explore the unseen realms that bind us in the pursuit of shared spiritual truths.